Valentine's Day party today. Got your Valentines?
Sure did. What kind did you get?
Wrestling.
Wrestling.
Yep, WWE wrestling. It's my favorite. What did you get?
I don't know, something with monkeys.
Monkeys.
Mom made me pick something from the dollar store. It's embarrassing.
You know what, Terry? It doesn't matter what kind you got. Nobody means these things anyway. We only give them out because the teachers make us.
Yeah, I'm feeling like Miss Young. It says be mine. I don't want her to be mine.
See what I mean?
I don't want to be mine.
Neither do I.
But if we're in love, I wouldn't want it to be real. Not in word, but no action.
Me too.
Love isn't a Valentine card that someone else wrote. Love is patience.
Yeah, and it's kind.
It doesn't get jealous and it puts the other person first, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's forgiving and doesn't keep track of all the bad stuff you do.
Love protects, it trusts, it hopes, and it perseveres.
And it never fails. You know, Terry, you're a patient guy, always putting up with me and my problems.
No, I'm not patient. Anyway, I'm not as kind as you are, always lending a hand in helping people.
And you never get jealous when I'm too busy helping people to play.
You still drop everything when I need a friend.
So do you.
You're so forgiving.
You always stick up for me.
You're always there.
Oh no.
I know.
You really love me?
And you love me.
Does that mean we have to be Valentine's?
No.
Are you sure?
I don't want it all the time.
Neither do I. It's good to know that someone really loves me though.
Are you kidding? It's awesome. But maybe if we're not married by the time we're
No.
okay.